Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I created this fall look. I love how it came out. I used my Urban Decay and Too Faced palettes and it came out fallicious. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification so you'll be notified when I drop my next video. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I probably look super funny right now, but for some reason I don't know how I wasn't recording when I was telling you guys that I already pre-filled in my eyebrows with this brow pencil. To start my look, I already went in and primed my eyelids with my NYX eyeshadow base. And by the way guys, if I sound a little bit stuffy or weird, I was sick last week, so I'm recovering. I feel better now. I just feel like I sound a little stuffed still. So yeah, so I'm gonna start off with my Naked Urban Decay high-end color right here. See how pigmented that is? Really like that about the Urban Decay. This color here, Ashes, to darken it a little bit up. Now that you guys know I'm using both the cayenne color and the ash, I'm just gonna go and blend. I'm not really good with the cut creases. This is like my second time ever trying it. Okay, that's all right. Okay, so here is my attempt for the cut crease. Pretty cut, right? In the Too Faced palette, I will go ahead and apply this color here. It's like an orangey color. Caramelized is the name. Probably gonna switch it up and go in with this lumbre one right here. This. So basically what I'm doing here, I'm cleaning up the eyeshadow because it looks a little bit weird. So I'm cleaning it up and I'm making this look real snatch. See how it looks clean versus... So off camera, I will apply my Huda Beauty lashes. These are in style Hoodie 23. Okay guys, so I'm back. I applied my lashes. Now for concealer, I'm going in with my NARS in shade Light 2 Vanilla. For camera purposes, I go in with a beauty blender, but originally I like blending everything with my nails, with my hands. So I'm going to do the old Carla thing. So now I will go on with my finishing powder in the shade Banana. Then we're just gonna go ahead and blend everything out. Maybe I should go in with a smaller brush. That one's like taking everything. So yeah, just blend that out. Oh my god, I look so pale. I have to go in with my bronzer. If you guys are wondering, it's the Deep Profound color L'Oreal True Lumi Bronzer. I'm all over the place with this look, but I cannot continue this video without like my lips getting filled. They look small and dry. Kind of like the Cholas from 19. So I'm going to go in with this lipstick, the First Class Nude. Okay, so it's somehow, my Chola line somehow disappeared after applying this. Going to reapply it because we need that line. Just does something. now that we're done with the lip, I'm gonna go back to the eyes and apply mascara and some eyeliner. Okay, so for my eyeliner, I like to go in with this Voluminous Superstar eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris. Usually I prefer this Master Precise by Maybelline, but it's done. So we're gonna go in with this one. Eyeliner versus no eyeliner. Eyeliner, no eyeliner. So I applied my eyeliner. I will go in with Dirty Talk from my Urban Decay. And I'll apply this just at the bottom to enhance the look. So I applied that under. I'm starting to regret it, but now it's too late now. So now I will go in and fill in my waterline. So I'll be back with that one. You guys don't want to see how I look. Time for the mascara. I always go with my Great Lash. This is the finished look. I truly love this look. Fall season is one of my favorites, and fall looks just come with it. Subscribe, stay tuned, and follow me on Instagram as well at MoreCarla Instagram. And I've created a TikTok account, so you guys make sure to also follow me there. By the way, so I know I took very long to create this look. I had been announcing it on my Instagram, and I took about 2 weeks to create this look, but I was sick, so I was just recovering, and I'm back. I am so glad that I created this look. I will have more videos coming out soon. I am working on a follow me around vlog, and I will do a Q&A, but first I need to get some questions from you guys. So stay posted for those videos and stay tuned.